So friends, today is 22nd April. From 1970, globally we have been celebrating this day as Earth Day for the protection of our environment and global Earth. I am Sampath Chaudhary, working in Worldwide Oilfield Machine Pune. Our WM group of companies participating in this Global Earth Week. Also, I have with me some of my cycling groups, Mahol Athlete Association, Indo Athlete Society, some other groups and their members. Friends, we all know that world is facing some serious environment issues. COVID-19 is also one of them. But how many of us know what needs to be done to take part in stopping these global issues? If each one of us understand and take responsibility for saving our Mother Earth, it is a possible change. On this occasion of Earth Day, I would like to share my small efforts towards the awareness of environment. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.
Friends, I would proudly like to say that from last 3 years, I have been traveling to my office on bicycle only. My company office is 15 kilometers away from my residence. It counts 30 kilometers both sides, and main thing is that I am climbing Katras Ghat near about 500 meters of elevation on daily basis. Did you know Amsterdam, Europe, there are more bicycles than people? We believe Amsterdam is one of the cities that should serve as an example for others. Friends, riding a bike is big responsibility, and riding your bicycle has countless benefits. These can be ranged from personal to economy to social to environment and many more. More people in the world own bicycles than cars. In addition, number of people coming to and from work on bicycle. Cycling has many environmental benefits. Cycling requires no gasoline and therefore no harmful emission of gases and smogs are released into the air. It reduces noise pollution as well. Friends, it is cheaper to own and operate a bicycle than it is to have a car. Bicycles don't usually require monthly car payments, insurance, expensive routine maintenance or fuel. Instead of it, you don't need a parking spot or garage when you have a bicycle instead of a fuel vehicle. Other benefits includes lower healthcare cost and you will have no need for a gym membership anymore. Bicycle riding is a great way for a family or a group of friends to spend quality time together. Of course, cycling can give you a chance to represent your personal style or promote a cause for which you have a lot of passion. Friends, these are just some of the reasons you should incorporate cycling into your normal habit and routine. So, grab your bike and go see the world. Friends, in last 3 years, I have traveled through bicycle in many parts of India. It includes my epic ride from Pune to Kanyakumari. It was 1600 kilometers long journey and I have completed this journey in 8 days. The main purpose for this ride was to spread the awareness about pollution control to the individuals. Every year, on occasion of Republic Day, me and my friends travel through bicycle from Pune to Gateway of India in Mumbai.
So friends, this is all from my end. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do take care of yourself and your family from COVID-19. Thanks.